Hey guys, so for today we're on the way to Anaheim Convention Center for Sneakercon Los Angeles. And actually this is my first time visiting a Sneakercon, which is the world's largest sneaker convention. And I know in the Philippines, meron din Manila Sneaker Expo, and it's actually happening then today, same time here in LA for Sneakercon. And yeah, unfortunately I won't be there in Manila Sneaker Expo, but syempre I'll try to bring you guys the same sneaker content. And yeah, ngayon nandito tayo sa Sneakercon Los Angeles, so yeah, let's go. So first of all, wow, sobrang laki na itong convention center. And I'm excited to see what kind of sneakers they have here. And yeah, I'll take you guys with me. Let's go.
Was really like the one that hit, and I just felt like I was playing with every single thing that I was doing. I was like, I love these sneakers. What are these?
There's always, there's forever going to be that lane as long as you put in the positive energy towards it.
Okay, so that's a wrap for Sneakercon Day 1. We'll be back tomorrow for Day 2. Basically, dami sapatos. We weren't able to video a lot kasi we're trying to get some steals and deals and enjoy our first Sneakercon. But, so guys, may nabili tayo. We got a Sneakercon shirt kasi syempre souvenir for my first Sneakercon ever. And yeah, see you guys day 2. Hey guys, okay, so for today we're back for Sneakercon day 2 and I'm excited to see what they have in store for us today. But now medyo alam na natin paano yung setup ng event, so alam na natin kung ano yung makikita and what I have my eyes on since yesterday. And yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys with me. Let's go. Okay, so we just got inside the convention center and pagkapasok pa lang, I have my eyes on these items yesterday. So right here they have really cool like painting designs. Ito yung Grail ko, which is the Chicago Off-Whites. They also have the Travis Scott's right here. It's $30 or 2 for $50, and I'm planning to purchase this one right here, just a display piece for my room. And they also have like the Storm Blue Unions, the Shattered Backboards, which I have in my collection as well. And yeah, those are just the stuff that I want to purchase. But later na natin yan babalikan kasi medyo mabigat yan. So yeah, let's go. Over here at the Crep Protect booth, they're also selling some Grail sneakers. We have the Nike SB Supremes, the Stussies, and I'm not sure what this is, pero it cost $800. Crep Protect. So right here they have the Jordan 1 Low, the mix and match UNC and Royals. May design rin to if you take off the khaki design right here, and solid. So right here they have the Kyrie 6 Los Angeles version. Solid, ganda. So something I have my eye on, we have a size 9 of the UNC Off-White Jordan 1s. They have it here for 1,800 or 90,000 pesos, and solid. Okay guys, so for today, nandito tayo sa court where the Sneakercon Hoops Classic usually happens. And the court's free right now, anyone can play. And later we'll try to get our shots up. But for now, let's look for some steals over at the trading pit. So right here is a pair that I've been looking for in my size. It's the Fragment Jordan 1. Go for around 250,000 right now in the Philippines, but hopefully makahanap tayo soon. So unfortunately, the fragments were a size 10.5, which is a little too big for my foot. Tara, ikot na tayo. First try. Okay guys, so shout out to the Treadbeast booth right here. They gave us a free shirt. It's a Staple Pigeon shirt. Okay guys, so kahit nasa international tayo na Sneakercon, we're with some local vendors from the Philippines as well. We're on the student vlog, right? Yeah. So if you guys check out his booth right here, medyo naubos na raw yung stocks nila. Pero here's their booth, the Undisputed Plug. They have this right here. If you guys know, this is the Holy Water Air Maxes. Solid.
Oh yeah, I know him. I know him. I've never met him in person.
Wow.
I know.
So remember when I said these are going up? I got mine for 800. Ngayon 1,300 na size 10. Crazy. So as you guys just saw from the previous clip, we just met Blazendary. He's actually one of the biggest sneaker YouTubers, and if you guys enjoy my type of content, you'll definitely enjoy his, so make sure to check out his channel. So they have it here for $9.50. This is my size 9. $9.50. Okay guys, so we just bought our first purchase for Sneakercon Day 2. Some display pieces for my room. As you guys all know, this is one of my grails, the Off-White Chicagos, and also the Travis Scotts. So thank you to this boot right here. Okay guys, so that's basically it for Sneakercon. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is my only pickup. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.